Here we are, Southbourne Beach. Well, say Southbourne Beach, it's Hainsbury Head really, it's a bit further up to Southbourne. We're fishing. What can I say? It's Friday night. Look at that. What more would you want? Look at that. Raised. It's just brilliant night. I've been had this couple of weeks for ages, it's been rough as hell. Anyway, my dog's down there somewhere, my dog's been kidnapped. Anyway, here's my Ross, to show you a little bit here. What I say, the sea's actually like a bloody mill pond. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning tonight. We've got Ray over there. Over there, and we've got Derek just down there setting up. He's kidnapped my dogs, he's thrown stones for him. So hopefully a pretty cracking night. What more can you say? What more did you want? We're fishing. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a bit, and hope you get a fish on camera for you.
So here we are, we're down Hainsbury Head today.
Hainsbury Head today, something different. Weather's like a sheet of glass.
It is absolutely beautiful. Calm, warm. There's a rainbow. That's going to be lucky. Do you?
I hope so. Anyway, I'm just going to knock up a bass rig. It's a nice fresh mackerel today, so banging out 20 yards. Leave it out there, not hopefully a big bass. You know what these big bass are like. Come in close in the summer. Looking for my bait. A pulley rig here. It's nice mackerel. I normally go a whole mackerel, Joey, but I've got fresh today, so I'm going to go a tail today. Look at that bad boy.
Oh, that looks nice.
So all I'm going to do,
Isn't it?
cut in there.
Snip.
Snip.
Do you see those scissors things that I sent you today?
Yeah.
They're handy.
So, I'll go under there.
Well, we are hoping that we're going to have a bit more luck tonight because it has been...
It hasn't been good at all.
So quiet.
I've been blowing a bloody
About 2
hoolie.
months ago, we had a little run, didn't we? We had some sole, rays, bass, and it was all good.
Nice move ham, it's a nice move ham.
Yeah. It has been awful these last few weeks. Well, probably last month actually, isn't it? You know? This is over at Studland. Well, the weather's the same. Somewhere is over Studland pretty much, isn't it, tonight?
Look at that shite on me. All the guts are still
Oh,
in there.
you
So
just
look at...
knocked the guts all down my leg.
Whoops.
Oh. It's not whoops. You did that on
Whip him on.
I want to touch it. I have stinky fishy fingers.
Why do I take a fishing with me, eh?
I don't know. Because I'm the driver.
Yeah, there's a good point. She drives.
I do drive. Yes.
But
Daniel Batty. Look at the green along the horizon
beautiful,
there.
isn't it?
It's gorgeous. It does look like one of our Bob thing pictures, doesn't it, Justin? Bob Moss, was it?
Bob Cross.
Ross.
Cross.
Cross? Oh, I thought he was called something else.
Why doesn't that doubt me?
I'm not very well. So why'd you tie it up so tight like that then, Daniel?
You've got others that just fall off beds.
What, even with the hook in it?
Yeah, see the hook's solid there. It's not going to move anywhere.
Yeah.
Give it a couple of loops like that. And that hook's going nowhere. Only in a big bass's mouth, hopefully.
Yes. Nom 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 nom.
There she is. My bass rig, chuck out 20 yards and hopefully for a big bass. Anyway, I'll come back in a minute and show you a few other things for sole. Target tonight is sole rig. I've got some live crab there, so hopefully some smoothies. We'll have to wait and see, but it's a beautiful day. Anyway, we'll get back to you in a bit. I'm going to bang this out and I'll get back to you in a bit, alright? Cheers. normally use from the sole and that. Have you noticed, right, I've got the ball weight down here, a little weight there to keep it hard on the bottom. See, it's got a little ball weight. Normally I use bigger ball weights, but there's not much tide here, so just keeps the bait proper on the bottom. Short snooze for sole, it's a good sole rig, and that's what I use for sole. Normally an up and over rig I would use for a small one, but this is what I'm using tonight, and we've had a little check on it, but once it gets dark, hopefully you should get a nice sole or some nice grey mullet on it. Hopefully, we'll wait and see. Here we are, Southbourne Beach, a few smoothies down, I've got a lovely bit of crab here, 2 crab on there, on a pulley rig. So I'm going to clip her up on here. I just keep things simple. All these things you put on here to clip down is pointless when you've got one of these. I think anyway, I just try to keep it simple. There we go. Bosh. That's for the crab. Anyway, hope you get one. I'll get back to you in a bit.
First fish of the night on a pop-up rig. Look at that. It's not bad, is it?
Yeah, it's a start, isn't it? First cast, first fish. Little place.
Hopefully this is a sign of tonight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we've got a couple more little place. Doing all right tonight. That's 3 more than we've had for a long time. Happy fishing.
It's getting dusk now, so we're gonna put the old raid rigs out now. So I'm gonna put a double sandal up with slice of mackerel around on an up over rig.
Why do you use an up over rig then, Danny?
Because there's a longer trace at the bottom of it.
Yeah.
It's fishing away from the weight.
Mm-hmm.
Look, the dog's over there. Dog's disappeared again.
She'll be back. It's a beautiful night, isn't it?
Absolutely gorgeous. Just gonna whip this on. If I can find the end of it. There she is. I'm just going to bang a bit of mackerel right down the centre of that. Bit of a cocktail.
Lovely.
You like cocktails in your beds?
Yeah, I don't mind. Nice porn star martini. Don't mind if I do.
Just going to nip the head off. Get the pennel rig.
Lovely.
But just at the back of that. There we go. My ray rig. Hopefully I should have one on film for you. Let's hope so, eh? Every time we go fishing, I've been doing it for years now. You've got to do, every time we go fishing, redo the fish starts. And it goes a bit like this. And you do the old turbo kick. The fish starts, guys. Crazy.
Just filled this in, got another nice sole for the evening, so we're not doing too bad. Happy fishing.